are going to open Play-Doh balls, not eggs, but balls with Shopkins inside. And yeah, and I'm goofing off today. Maxie's even laughing. So, let's get on with it. I don't need scissors, but I just don't want to get my nails dirty. Because the Play-Doh already went inside my nails when I was touching them. Ooh, posh pa. Posh pa. Bam, what? I'm goofing off. Yeah. Okay, that's a posh pa. She's gonna posh. She's gonna do her posh thing over there. I think I know who this is. I think it's gonna be green. Yep, it's green. Scrubs. I don't know why they call it scrubs. What you laughing about? That is scrubs. He has the top. Shove it. La. I think it's a season 2. Season 2? Was that correct? Yes! Booyah, I was correct. Oops. Yeah, that's him. Sweeps. He's gonna sweep himself over here. He's a really... The Chelsea doll, that's like a really good doll. Hey, stop. Stop it. What is this? Too much Play-Doh. Too much. Oops. And there was a little bit of Play-Doh, and there's still Play-Doh on her. I want her spotless. These are my Shopkins. There we go. Goofing off. Cut your head. Cut. Yeah, and that's Lisa Litter. And this is Sweeps. Scrubs. Posh Prayer. If you guys get it. Lisa Litter. She has a banana peel, and I have no idea what that stuff is. Maxie, please stop it. Please. He's laughing. Another green one. I wonder if there's gonna be any more monsters. But do you stop clicking your teeth together? I'm glad he's not in his terrible twos. Ouch. Apple blossom. Look at all the Play-Doh we've opened. I guess it's because it feels like Play-Doh Plus. Is it Play-Doh Plus? Like, read the packet.
I don't know.
Ooh. High heel. Uh-oh. It's like the high heel from Beverly Hills Chihuahua. I'm not sure if it's Beverly Hills Chihuahua, but it's something with a dog that puts her food inside its owner's shoe. It's a high heel. Oops, I forgot to put Apple Blossom back over there. This is Promi, or Promi, whatever her name is. I won't get her name though. That is Promi, the high heel. It must be really hurtful to like wear her because she's plastic and she's a high heel. So she's gonna clip her way over here. I actually opened it. That's why I put the Play-Doh. I think this one's gonna be a rare. Yay! Ultra rare. Ultra rare. Oh. Uh-oh. This isn't good. This is not good. This is not good. We're gonna have to wash this off. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a pencil. I need a pencil.
Mama. Just keep going to the next one. Because then we're not gonna be able to.
Mama.